Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this, and it's not that it's very expensive, it's just that it's inexpensive. So if you relate, hi, welcome. This is the video. So I'm going to be using this cane rattan, I don't know the other name for it, but something like that. Cane chairs, yep. Bamboo, yep. Anyways, so I'd done all of these like proof seed those first days when I never had money for a mannequin head, or when it was also very inaccessible to me, so I had to scale it to my head size. So I did all of this packing, so I'm just going to undo it, and while I'm doing that, I'm just going to catch up with you guys. Hey guys, how are you people? How have you been doing? I know that I have not been posting and uploading, but I'm just going to say that I'm going to be uploading 2 times a week, and I'm trying to pick between Wednesday and Thursday. Please let me know down in the comment section. And then on Sundays, so Sundays is fixed, but I don't know about if I should do Wednesdays or Thursdays. And then Fridays I could give you people bonus videos, so that way we go to 2 or 3 videos a week. Anywho's, yeah, so I'm kind of working on something really big and I'm really excited, so please subscribe, and then I'm going to send you pictures and updates. If you're on my TikTok, you know what I'm talking about, but if you're not on my TikTok, I'm going to send you updates on my community tab. Anyways, we're done, and this is what this skin thing looks like. Honestly, I have never bought this thing in my whole entire life, so I don't even know how much it costs, but it should be under 5k. I'm thinking it's like 2.5 or something. Anyways, you're going to measure your hair dryer, and then you're just going to mark it out like this. The first circle inside is the actual shape of the actual circumference of my hair dryer, but then because your hair dryer actually has to enter and sit inside, so I made a bigger one, and then I'm using box cutters to just cut it, and it was actually so easy that I was shocked. I used this screwdriver to kind of undo the weaving that the people had done, so that I can take it out. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. As you can see, really super easy to do. This is what it looks like in the end. So when it was like this, because of aesthetic purposes, I wanted to like fill the gaps and everything, so that's actually very circular. So I decided to use this double-sided thick foam kind of tape, because I was thinking that I'll just put it like this and then press inwards, but that did not go as planned. It was very bulky, it did not want to stick down, nothing, like it wasn't in order. So I then decided that okay, I was going to do this other style where I cut it into bits and pieces and then try to put it down, but that one did not work. So here I am just trying and demonstrating what I just explained. It did not work, so I decided to attach rubber bands to the 2 sides that is going to kind of support the hairdryer when it's inside there, because the hairdryer cannot stand on its own. And then yeah, I'm going to be drying this wig. I did a tutorial on this hair, and it's like how to make this braided mesh wig things in under 30 minutes as opposed to hours and hours tying the knots, so watch out for that video. So yeah, you know that at the end of those videos you always have to like dip the hair in hot water and conditioner, so that's what I did, and the hair is really wet. And also we're going to test how good this thing is. So yeah, it was like it's the middle of the night and my brain wasn't working anymore, because I really thought that I could just do this thing with the elastic, but nope, don't do that. What you're going to do is just like put the hair dryer inside from the top. I don't know if you understand, and that's basically it. Yeah, so that's how you do it. And now I'm just trying to do quality control, and like I'm just checking how dry it is and if it's hot and if the temperature is okay. And yeah, it was going actually really well. So I like to think that this DIY was very easy, very effortless. If you already have this at home, good for you. If you don't, you can go ahead and buy it, and it actually just reduce, because like sometimes when you're drying wigs, the outside will get dry and the inside wouldn't get dry. So this way it's easier to dry from the inside outside. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on my socials, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.